guys. In this short clip, I'm just going to be doing a little bit of a heel toe technique. Unfortunately, it seems to be a bit of a forgotten art form. I've been using it for a long time, different things when I can. I personally first saw it being used by great Tommy Campbell on the Zildjian Day in New York around 1984, I believe. Check it out if you haven't seen it, a lot of the younger guys and younger drummers. But yeah, I was fortunate to meet Tommy actually in Japan around 98 when I was working with Ian Brown. And he'd moved out there actually, he was living out there at the time, so it was a great opportunity to meet one of my idols, as you would say. But yeah, check it out, let me know what you think, and hit that subscribe button. See you soon.